Now to the uncertain fate of more than 40 million student loan borrowers in America. The Supreme Court heard two cases yesterday against President Biden's debt relief plan on hold after an appeals court ruling it would cancel up to $20,000 in student loans for eligible borrowers. And several conservative justices questioned whether the Biden administration overstepped its authority by not first going through Congress. NBC's senior legal correspondent Laura Jarrett is with us now. Laura, you heard the judges yesterday. Any indication on how they're leaning?
So this one is tricky. I think for folks who might be waking up this morning to headlines saying the conservative justices on the court are skeptical of the plan, that's true, but it's not the full story, right? So there's a question about whether the Biden administration had congressional authority. That's a question about the merits. You heard the justices saying this is so expensive, this is so big. Maybe this is really something that should have been left up to Congress. But there's a question that on a basic legal level that you have to answer before you even get to the merits, which is, were the people who brought this suit the proper plaintiffs? Were they harmed? We have a bunch of states and we have borrowers who brought this suit, but it's not clear that they were actually injured. That's what's known as standing. And if they don't have standing, then the Biden administration wins and this whole case goes away. So it's hard to know exactly how it's going to come out because those two are in conflict.
If the high court does rule against the Biden administration, what does that mean, perhaps, for the relief plan moving forward?
So it's important to note there are about 26 million people who had applied for relief before the lower courts blocked this. It's at the Supreme Court because the courts blocked it below. Those 26 million people are just in a holding pattern right now. If the high court strikes this down, you will not have to make student loan payments right away. I think that's important for people at home to know. You're going to get 60 days from the time the court rules to have to start making those payments again. And even if the court strikes it down, the Biden administration could get a second bite at the apple. They could go back to the regulatory process, but it's going to take a lot longer because what they did right here, going through the Secretary of Education, was sort of a speedy process. Another way is going to take a lot longer.
A lot of eyes on this one. All right. Thank you, Laura.
Sure.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.